Is college still worth it in the age of AI? Education, jobs and the real ROI in 2025. It's 2025, and the question is more urgent than ever. Is going to college still worth it in the age of artificial intelligence? For decades, a university degree was considered the golden ticket to a better life, a stable job, financial growth, and social mobility. But in today's rapidly changing world, where AI can write code, analyze data, design graphics, and even pass legal exams, the value of that degree is under pressure. Let's break it down. Today, the average college degree in the United States costs between $80,000 and $180,000. In the UK, a typical degree costs over £40,000. In parts of Europe, university is free, but the hidden cost is time, usually 3 to 5 years without income. Now compare that to the job market. In 2025, companies are no longer just hiring based on credentials. They're hiring based on skills. Can you work with AI? Can you automate? Can you solve real problems quickly? Let's look at some real numbers. The average starting salary for a college graduate in the US is around $55,000. But bootcamp graduates in AI, data science, or cybersecurity are starting at $65,000 to $90,000, often with just 6 to 12 months of focused training. Some tech companies like Google, IBM, and Tesla no longer require a college degree. They focus on your project portfolio, your certifications, and your ability to adapt in real-time environments. Now let's talk about return on investment, the ROI. If you invest $120,000 into a traditional degree and take on student loans, it may take you 10 to 20 years to reach a positive return. But if you invest $5,000 to $10,000 into high-impact skill training and start earning within a year, your break-even point comes much faster, often in less than 18 months. But what about soft skills, networking, and long-term credibility? Yes, college still offers value. For fields like medicine, law, architecture, and research science, formal education remains essential. The network you build in college can also lead to business opportunities, mentorships, and lifelong friendships. However, for careers in tech, marketing, design, analytics, business operations, or entrepreneurship, the traditional college route is being disrupted. AI is making generalists obsolete. It's rewarding people who specialize, automate, and adapt. Today, you can learn almost any skill online. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udemy offer university-level courses for a fraction of the price. Google offers career certificates in project management, UX design, and data analytics. Microsoft and AWS offer cloud certifications. OpenAI and DeepLearning.AI offer AI-specific learning paths. And the best part? Many of these programs are self-paced. You can learn while you work, build projects, and earn, all at the same time. Now let's talk about employers. In 2025, top employers are asking 3 things. 1. Can you work with or alongside AI? 2. Can you learn fast and independently? 3. Can you demonstrate results? Degrees don't answer those questions, portfolios do. Projects do. GitHub pages, websites, blogs, apps, automations, those are the new resumes. Let's look at career pathways. If you want to become a software engineer, you can go the traditional 4-year route. Or you can complete a 1-year coding bootcamp, build open-source projects, and apply with a portfolio. If you want to get into finance or investing, you can study for 3 years, or you can launch an AI-powered financial blog, start a YouTube channel, or build dashboards with real market data, and build an audience around your expertise. Even creatives, writers, artists, editors, are using AI to enhance their work. Midjourney, Runway ML, and GPT-4 allow anyone to create professional-grade media with minimal tools. The point is this: credentials are being replaced by evidence. Institutions are being replaced by ecosystems. And speed is beating tradition. But does that mean college is dead? No, it means college must evolve fast. The institutions that survive the AI wave will be the ones that integrate it, in the classroom, in the curriculum, and in the outcomes. But for you, the learner, the creator, the future professional, you don't have to wait. You can start learning today. For free, for cheap, or for scale. Here's a suggested roadmap. 1. Pick a domain that intersects with AI, like marketing, finance, healthcare, logistics, or design. 2. Learn the core tools. Master prompt writing. Learn how to integrate APIs. Learn how to validate data and generate outputs. 3. Build projects. Publish work. Share progress. Build proof. 4. Monetize. Offer freelance services, build products, apply for roles, pitch clients, or launch content platforms. That's how you make education work for you in 2025. Not based on status, but on skill. Not on theory, but on execution. And not for prestige, but for performance. If this video helped you rethink the education landscape, consider subscribing. We explore the intersection of AI, finance, career, and digital strategy every week. Hit the bell so you never miss out. And if you're about to make a big education or career decision, ask yourself this: is it teaching me how to survive? Or how to thrive? Choose wisely. Your future is being shaped right now. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute career, legal, or financial advice. Always conduct your own research or consult with a certified professional before making major life decisions.